Hi, Duder. What time did you get at last Saturday? I get out around 10 a.m. What did you eat breakfast on Sunday? Coffee, orange juice, eggs, and bread. What did you do on Sunday afternoon? I went to the park with my wife. What time did you go to sleep on Saturday? I went to bed at 11 p.m. What program did you watch on TV on Sunday? My program favorite, The Simpsons. Where did you go on Sunday morning? I went to church. How much money you spend on the weekend? I spent $50. What homework did you do in the weekend? Do the English homework. What did you read on the weekend? The Bible. What did you play on the weekend? I play chess. Thank you.